What up, boys and girls? Mike from Soap to Sauce here. Do you ever wake up and not feel like scamming people? Cause I am having one of those mornings. I I am I am so tired. I slept last night, but I feel like I didn't get a wink of sleep, and I got a crying kid, and I'm babysitting, and I'm just tired. And this has to feel like I'm trying to just get into the mindset of a scammer because that's what I'm attempting to do. So earlier this year, January 1st, I made a decision that I was going to try to understand scammers better and the people that fall for scams. And what better place to start than like really sketchy affiliate marketing? I mean, that stuff is it's just so good. And it's legal. It's 100% legal, which is amazing. So I was kind of, it's been a couple weeks and I've been working my day job and all this stuff, but I was like, I haven't scammed anybody. And I really, it's really important to me. I really need to get on top of scamming these people. And so here we are. I was watching YouTube videos last night, and this guy was talking about OfferVault. And OfferVault, I thought ClickBank was bad. OfferVault is it's a whole nother level. So let's just go through and look at some of these offers here and kind of talk strategy for a second before we talk about implementation. So going through it, I mean, they have offers for literally everything here. A lot of adult content, a lot of adult content. Um, don't worry, I don't think any previews are gonna pop up. But yeah, they have so much adult content, which brings my brain like a whole nother segment of like, how do you get these links in front of people that are looking for adult content? Like, I'm sure they're everywhere, but like, how? Is that weird that that's what I'm trying to figure out right now? Um, but yeah, just going through some of the stuff here, I found a couple offers that I actually think are pretty interesting. And it's not slut roulette, uh, it's not airline bookings. So I found a couple offers though here that are actually pretty legit. My FICO, but there was also a bunch of inbox dollars, for instance. So they'll pay you $2 a lead. And that's just if people fill out and confirm their email, which is pretty good. Let's take a look at the offer here. So $2.80, right? That's only like 38 people and I make $100. That's pretty damn good. Scrolling down here, I mean, there's a lot of other stuff here. Just different offers. People like things to install, like Chrome attachments and all this other kind of junk. But check out these paper call offers, man. This is kind of blew my mind. I never really even knew this was a thing, and now so many things, so many dots are kind of coming together. For instance, I was in a sober group, and I'm not sober. I drink way too much. But I was in a sober group. This guy was posting, this number for a rehab facility, and guess what? There are rehab facilities in OfferVault.com. Let's just take a look here. That'll pay upwards of yeah, 600, 700, $500 per lead. $550 if somebody signs up, I'm assuming. But that's insanity. That's nuts. Now it all makes sense. Just puzzle pieces are coming together in my head that I just never knew were a thing. My kid is getting loud, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. But essentially, what the plan is here. Okay, so I went immediately. I was like, I'm working with a lot of Facebook groups lately because that's just kind of what I'm doing. It's just kind of the route that I'm taking to kind of promote some things right now. But I was like, there has to be a way to make this work, right? And then I thought about thinking about psychics, right? So there's some of that stuff in here. Um, there's a lot of insurance stuff, a lot of credit related issues. So I was like, man, I feel like I'm sitting on a gold mine where on the one end I have everybody that I know would sign up for these stupid offers, and then on the other hand, um, it's just how do you convey the messaging in a way that gets people to click, and how do you do it without building an email list? Because I mean, I kind of want to build an email list, and I know a lot of guys are using blogs to kind of promote a lot of these things, and that's all great. But that's not really the route I want to take. I want to find a way to do this that's just minimal, that I can kind of streamline and come up with a system to do, and just kind of just be able to bust out within an hour today and actually see $50 profit or something like that. If I could do that every single day, I'd be ecstatic. So I'm kind of brainstorming out loud here, but there's a lot of make money online Facebook groups. I think the first thing I'm going to do, and I already kind of started the process. So I went and I called Inbox Dollars. So I'm just going to show you the process here because it's kind of weird. So most affiliate programs that I signed up for, I've never had to do a phone interview before. Like, what? Like, that is the weirdest thing. So there's this network that you have to join. It's pretty typical. I don't know if they're going to accept me because in the interview or the application that I filled out, they wanted 50 characters or less, and like I don't have that much affiliate marketing experience, so I just kind of was like, I put in a couple like sentences, and then I needed to fill space, so I just put baby. But like I was like, I'm gonna make money online, baby, like something like that. But it was just a lot of A's to fill up the space. But then afterwards, it's like, yeah, you need to have a phone call with us, and I'm like, shit, the guy's gonna be reviewing the fucking application. He's gonna be looking at it, and it's just gonna be a long string. Oh baby, I was a little tipsy. Like I said, I'm not sober, so I might have been a little tipsy when I made this application. But this affiliate company is actually pretty legit. Look at these companies, and I've signed up for BarkBox before. I've signed up for GoDaddy before. So like, I didn't realize that Max Bounty was associated with these guys, or some of their offers or some of their affiliate stuff. But yeah, I called the number. They gave me a rep, so I called him. And I left him a voicemail, and hopefully that redeems me a little bit. I have no idea if I'm going to get a call back. I can't even access my account right now. I don't know what's going on. But I'm trying to get in because the plan is step A, right? We're going to go to these make money online Facebook groups, right? That's step one. Step two, I already checked. There's a lot of people just reposting inbox dollar, just scam links, other stuff like that. They're just really scammy. It looks like someone like with just half brain cell, like half a brain cell came on and just like literally just spam. No value. There's no engagement. There's no comments. There's nothing. But a lot of people are doing this. So I'm guessing on some level it has to be working. But I'm just thinking, I'm kind of thinking out loud here, but I'm just thinking I'm just going to try to slap on a new coat of paint on it. Try to use a few more brain cells than the guys that are already posting this stuff in a super spammy way, and try to get some engagement and try to kind of make the copy work in a way that'll actually get people to click and get me some money here. Let's scam some people. So is this really scamming, by the way? Borderline. So the inbox dollars, no, I don't think that's a scam, not entirely. I think we have to go into like the definition of what a scam is to really talk about like what is a scam and what's not a scam. Because some of these offers here, they're 100% a scam, like 100%. You're just exploitation. Like you're taking advantage of somebody, and probably their lack of intelligence or their lack of common sense to know better. But I mean, some of these offers are definitely just very, very scammy. So we're gonna try to get to that level, but I want to start with just something easy, and I think inbox dollars, a lot of people already know about it. I also found Lyft on here, right? So Lyft was on here. I can't spell. I'm really entering that that mindset right now. But $16 per lead, that's pretty good. Again, I checked a bunch of the Facebook groups. A lot of people were posting these on job boards and stuff like that. So, but they weren't doing it with really providing any value or really like any trigger words. They weren't really using good copy. It was just really generic, just like someone was just copying and pasting stuff, which is fine. But like you need to make it look good, right? You need to make it enticing. And these people were not doing that. So I think I have some ideas. This is the foundation. I'm going to try to get started on this today. Hopefully Max Bounty, my rep, I think his last name is Makawa. Great last name. Love it. I hope he calls me back. I hope that he accepts my application that I wrote while slightly drunk. And I hope that I'm well on the way to really learning how to scam people. So we'll see how this all goes and if I'm able to make some money here. and I will keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like this kind of thing, my channel is mostly about e-commerce, drop shipping, Amazon, and then using tools that are kind of borderline on the edge. Not a lot of people know about, or maybe they're a little bit sketchy, or techniques that are a little bit like kind of gray hat, that type of stuff. So those are kind of things and areas, the ethics behind it, the philosophies behind it, they all fascinate me. Yeah, so that's kind of what my channel is about. If you guys are interested, please follow, and I will be pushing out more content shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.